Hey, it's Tom again, CEO and co-founder of BuddyBoss, and today I am super excited to share with you what we've been up to in this month of April. In this video, I will tell you about updates from our customer success and customer support teams, updates from our marketing team, and updates from the BuddyBoss Agency. I will also provide you with updates on BuddyBoss Web, including the all-new BuddyBoss 2.0 and other key features. And I'll also tell you about new updates to the BuddyBoss app, including support for iOS universal links and some new features we're adding to the in-app purchases module. And we'll end this video with a customer spotlight. And before I start with the updates, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you're always up to date with what's happening at BuddyBoss. This last month, our customer success team held their first 3-hour live training session where they went all the way from installing the plugin to having a full test app on a device. The session was part of our dedicated app onboarding service, but we'll also be adding it to the BuddyBoss Academy shortly for other customers to view it. And if you're a new app customer or haven't yet configured your app, make sure you're enrolled in our onboarding sessions. You can contact success@buddyboss.com to learn more. This last month, we held another 45 success calls with customers discussing their goals and looking at supporting their long-term success with the BuddyBoss app. The success team is really enjoying this process, and the feedback we're getting is very valuable to us, which in turn helps us align the new features, tutorials, and content we publish in a way that maximizes the value we provide you and your business. We also have a number of projects happening at BuddyBoss right now that are super exciting. The BuddyBoss.com website is about to get a full makeover, and we expect to launch the first phase of the website redesign sometime next week. Since the last website redesign in early 2019, the company has evolved significantly. We launched new products and services which brought really cool innovations to WordPress, e-learning, and the world of online communities. And with that, the messaging on our current website was no longer doing justice to all the progress that's been made. So we've redesigned the website from the ground up with new and improved copy and a design that aligns with the latest design trends. The new website also provides a strong foundation for the upcoming features, content, products, and services that we plan to launch over the coming months. This is the first phase of the redesign and the biggest one, and we'll be making additional updates to it over the coming weeks. We hope you'll enjoy navigating through the new BuddyBoss.com website as much as we do. Another exciting project we're currently working on and we expect to launch in the next 4 to 6 weeks is a new BuddyBoss podcast. With the new podcast, you'll be able to watch or listen to weekly episodes, including interviews with successful BuddyBoss customers, interviews with other software partners, interviews with BuddyBoss staff, and other types of content. And the podcast will launch with the first 3 episodes that include interviews of Anna Sharp from Hay College, who helps high school students in the US prepare for university admin success, Abdullah Neil Willems from Sophically, who helps GCSE students in the UK master the English curriculum and get better grades, Ryan Carlock from RisePage, who is customizing the BuddyBoss app to allow him to launch a social community on the blockchain. The team is working hard to prepare the new podcast launch, and we can't wait for you to begin watching or listening to it. We're also progressively reopening the new BuddyBoss Agency for new clients. We're super excited about the agency becoming available to more customers, and we realize this is an important customer success tool. Over the years, the agency has worked on projects for various startups, influencers, enterprise clients, and nonprofit organizations, including Founder, the Harvard Business Review, AVAC, the American Farm Bureau, the popular YouTuber and influencer Stefan James of Project Life Mastery, and hundreds more. At BuddyBoss, we understand that every customer is unique. Every customer has their own idea, a project with specific requirements that address the specific needs of their audience. And our agency is here to help support you in that journey. So if you need help with your project, you can go to buddyboss.com/agency and reach out to our agency team. Our account executives will then schedule a discovery and consultation session with you to help understand your project and work on providing you with the best solution. BuddyBoss is also hiring some key roles that I would like to share with you today. We're looking for a technical course and content creator who can create video tutorials for our products, product documentation, educational videos for the BuddyBoss YouTube channel, and courses to help support BuddyBoss customers. So if anyone watching this video is interested in joining us, please send us a short video of you telling us why you're the right person for this role to careers@buddyboss.com. We are also looking for more technical support agents to join our customer support team, as we are in the process of expanding the technical support team to help us with the one-touch support initiative. So for anyone who is interested in joining us, you'll find links in the description below to the job description and application form. And that's it for the general company updates. Let's now dive into the product updates. For BuddyBoss Web, we just released the biggest update to date, and that's the all-new BuddyBoss 2.0. This is a super exciting release, and we've also published 9 videos that go over the various areas of improvements we've made into the new version. BuddyBoss 2.0 comes with a number of new features, styling improvements, and other improvements across the board, covering theme styling, color options, group and profile types, label colors, better forum layouts, a whole new icon pack, an improved icon picker, multiple header options, including mobile header options, navigation improvements, Buddy panel, Gutenberg block, and more. And you'll find links to all the videos that go over BuddyBoss 2.0 in the description below. And now that BuddyBoss 2.0 is released, and while the team continues to make other improvements and additions to BuddyBoss Web, our product leadership team is making it their highest priority to launch the live messaging and web notifications features, which we're aiming to release by the end of Q2. The BuddyBoss Web team has also resumed work on the Tutor LMS integration, and we're hoping to launch this integration during Q3. So that's it for the BuddyBoss Web updates. Let's now move to the BuddyBoss app, where we also have some very exciting things happening. We just released the iOS Universal Links and Android App Links functionality, allowing for links clicked outside of BuddyBoss app to lead the user to the app when the content is available in the mobile app, providing the user with an even better mobile experience. We also just released support for free trials and introductory offers in the in-app purchases component, giving you even more ways to sell your courses and memberships. We're also about to release 2 big features in the next 2 to 3 weeks. The first one, which we expect to be released in early May, is the app access controls. This new feature will allow you to customize and control access to the app based on the membership level, user type, or other criteria. You'll be able to control which menus are visible to users based on if they're logged in or logged out, and based on their access level. You will also be able to limit access to specific core app screens, specific LearnDash courses, WordPress pages, app pages, and WordPress posts. And shortly after that, we plan to release the ability to import third-party SDKs, opening up the custom app development to hundreds, if not thousands, of new potential integrations, such as intercom, AdMob, chatbots, single sign-ons, and so much more. We're also working on additional features for the in-app purchases module, which will be released shortly after the release of the app access controls feature. So those are all the product updates, and I'm super excited about the new BuddyBoss 2.0 and the impact it will have on everyone's online communities. I'm also super happy about the progress we've made on the BuddyBoss app this past year, and can't wait for the release of the other features we have coming over the coming weeks and months. This is going to be a big year for the BuddyBoss app. I also love seeing cool websites and apps launched using BuddyBoss products. And this month, I'd like to highlight the Hey College app by Anna Sharp. Hey College helps young people create positive outcomes for themselves and others through higher education. This is an app where all high school students can access expert information, find inspiration, and kiss college admission stress goodbye. The Hey College app is a beautifully designed BuddyBoss powered mobile app that was created with the help of the BuddyBoss Agency. Anna and the agency team, you have all done an amazing job. So that's it for today's update. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can always be notified when we post a new video. And I'll see you in May for the next BuddyBoss update.